Tailgate season is back, so let's celebrate with this breakfast smashburger. Without further ado, you're going to want to get a pan super hot on the grill, and then add in the buns. I like to butter these up. This is a brioche bun right here. Give them a little twist. You want to make sure that they get a little crust. Flip it, and it should look like this. Beautiful. Now you're going to want to ball up the meat beforehand. It's just some ground beef, 2.5 ounces per ball. Push them down a little bit, and then you're going to want to get a spatula and really smash these down. The more you smash, you're going to get that really crispy crust on the edges, and that's what we're looking for. I like to add parchment paper. This way it's not going to stick. It's going to allow you to get it way more thin. Season with a nice pinch of salt and pepper. Cover, and then we're going to cook this for about a minute 30. Flip, and then we're going to add on some American cheese. Cook this for 30 seconds, and then add one of the burgers to the top, and then remove. Add in the bacon, 2 strips. We're going to cook this until crispy. Crack the egg into the bacon fat, get all that flavor. We want this to be a little runny, so pull a little early. Let's build this burger, and we're going to use some Good Foods spicy guacamole to take this over the top. So hit the bun with some of that guacamole, lettuce, tomato, hit the burger on there. Get the bacon and the egg, top the bun with the guac, little egg smash. Let's try this. Ooh, that is good.